Hello everybody, today we make spaghetti al tonno with tuna. We put a little oil. I don't use too much oil now, because the tuna, it got oil, it's a tuna for the jar. Okay, now we put the garlic. We load the flame, because I don't want to burn my garlic. Okay, it's already good. Now we put the anchovy. Now the anchovy, make sure everything you got like disappear. Everything you gotta melt the anchovy. Now the anchovy give the sauce really good flavor. Okay, now the anchovy, okay, good. Now we put the caper. The caper, make sure to wash it good, it gets really soft. Good. Now it's time of the tuna. You see the tuna got oil, and this oil, it's really good taste. And we break the tuna. I use the wood spoon because I don't want to mess up my pots. We raise a little bit of the flame. Only a little bit you gotta cook. This is the tuna, anchovy, caper, and after we put the plum tomato. Okay, I saute a little bit of this. And now it's time for the plum tomato. Okay, and I got my flake hot pepper. Now this, we gotta cook it for 15 minutes. At the same time, the water boil, and we start with the spaghetti. Okay, and make sure when you cook the pasta, the spaghetti, not throw away the water, because maybe you need a little water and the sauce over here. Okay, the water boil, it's salty already, and let's put the spaghetti. Spaghetti gotta cook for 9 minutes. Make sure to put everything down. Do not leave the pasta outside of the water, because what happens, it touch the pots, the spaghetti, it burn. Okay, one time this spaghetti done, we put right inside of the sauce, and this is done. Oh, tonight I want to enjoy this. I got a lot of pasta, a lot of wine, the cin cin e salute. Okay, now we give a nice mix. Oh, look how beautiful it look. Oh. Okay, my pasta is done. I can't wait now to eat. Look how beautiful it look. And we put a little fresh parsley on the top. Good. We put a little extra sauce on the top. The tuna, anchovy. Okay, I want to put a little extra parsley. And I want to use a little my pecorino cheese. And now, I want to test. Oh, you know, see, not yet. You see this in my, oh yeah, baby? Oh, this, you eat all this, you jump yourself. Salute. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. You need this. The wash down this, oh yeah, baby. Salute e cin cin. Boy, it's really hot. Oh, baby. Okay. Beautiful dish. I hope somebody make this and let me know what is the taste. And thank you very much, everybody. And we see you next time. Thank you.